The thing I hear all the time is that people want to eat healthier, but they don't have time to cook. Well, this recipe solves that problem because it takes only about 20 minutes of active cooking time. This baked ziti is creamy, comforting, and so delicious, even kids will clean up their plates. As a bonus, it's rich in protein and has 0 cholesterol. Add 1 pound of penne to salted water. I add a dash of oil so it doesn't boil over. Cook this for only about 2/3 of the recommended cooking time. I'm gonna cook for about 7 minutes, even though it requires 11 to be fully done. To replace the ricotta cheese in this plant-based recipe, I'm gonna make a tofu ricotta. Don't run away, I promise this stuff is delicious. Even my Italian dad ate this. We're gonna use firm tofu for this recipe. Drain the excess water out of the package and crumble the tofu up with your hands. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil or even melted plant-based butter. I'm combining olive oil and avocado oil for the flavor. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1.5 teaspoons of dried parsley, about 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Mix that up so it's really well combined. Then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of a creamy plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk, and the juice of 1/2 to 1 whole lemon. Taste it as you go. This is my base tofu ricotta, but you can add in fresh herbs if you want. You just want to double the amount that we used. Or you can even add in a plant-based mozzarella, which makes it exceptionally creamy. Add your vegan ricotta to your pasta and mix it up till it's well combined. Add in a full jar of a tasty sauce. I'm using 24 ounces and I'm using my favorite sauce, Rouse. Mix that all together really well. Add to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Sprinkle a good vegan mozzarella on top of that. I'm using Violife and I also love Trader Joe's brand. Cover that tightly with aluminum foil. Bake your ziti at about 375 for 30 to 40 minutes until it's bubbly and the cheese is melty. Keep this recipe quick. I use jarred spaghetti sauce. I love Rouse. It tastes almost as good as my grandma's spaghetti sauce. But if you're looking for a homemade pasta sauce, you can check out my vegan meatballs recipe, and I show you how to make a traditional Italian sauce in that recipe. My ziti's been baking for about 40 minutes, and this is what it looks like. This baked ziti is easy, healthy, and everybody will come back for seconds. If you love this recipe, hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.